Welcome back to Intro to Python video series. We're going to be talking about strings. A string, simply put, is a combination of characters. There are basic string characters and operations you want to know, and in this lesson we will be going over that. First off, you want to know what concatenation is, and that is adding two strings together. So on line 4 here, we show concatenation, my string plus adding. Essentially, you're appending adding right in front of my string. So that's why it shows 1 plus 1 is 2. And you want to know what the backslash characters, like backslash n, is a new line. And as you can see, this shows a new line. And backslash t is a tab, so that's why it shows a tab here. Backslash r is a carriage return. So you know how you text a message on your phone to your friends? When you hit that enter button, you actually send a carriage return. So that's why this is gone and carriage return is showing, because this has been like quote sent, and that's why it's not appearing anymore. Len is a special built-in function in Python that shows you the length of a string. So that's why my string is 11 characters long. And if you want to get a specific character in a string, you want to use brackets, and then inside is a number. But why do you need the number 2 to represent the third character of my string? In Python, there's a concept called indices. Indices are a way to represent a position in a dataset. We could talk more about this when we get to lists, but it also applies to strings. In Python, indices always start at 0, and the 0th index always represents the first character of the string. The first index, therefore, represents the second character of the string, and vice versa. So that's why when we put 2, you're actually getting the third character of my string. So if we put 0, this will be the first character of my string, and the first character of my string is 1, so that's why we will get 1.